We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Basically, if you have a piece of metal in the microwave, charges in the metal move around. If there is a part of the metal that is very thin, such as with aluminum foil or a fork, a high voltage could build up that exceeds the breakdown voltage of air and cause a spark.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.